My name is Khairul Ikhwan. My name 4412301013. And my friend,
My name is Ruspina Benego Silalahi. My name is 4412301021.
I will read the text accommodation. Part one, style question. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Actually, I left on campus in a single room in halls of residence. All first year students are encouraged to do that as they are close to the university. Next year, I plan to move in student digs in town.
Tell me about where you live.
I live with my parents in the suburbs of Madrid. We only moved in recently. In fact, we had a housewarming party just a few weeks ago.
What kind of accommodation do most people live in your city?
In the city, it's like the majority of people in apartment blocks. That's what surprised me about England. Much people seem to live in tractor house with lovely back garden.
Part two style tags. Describe a house or an apartment you would like to live in. You should say 1. What kind of accommodation it will be. 2. Wherein will be. 3. Who will live there with you. And say you will enjoy living in this place.
I think most people, when answering this question, will say they it like to live in a big detached house with spacious room, views of the countryside, and so on. But accurately, my ide- ideal home would be a lot different if always love that idea of having a mobile home. A really expensive one with all the mods cons, so I could live wherever I wanted, or at least have lots of holidays and be able to make my home comfort with me wherever I travel. I realized that this will have be a second home as I need a best apartment address, but the mobile home will be the accommodation in fin exciting to live in. I suppose once I settle down and have children, I want to get on the property ladder. It'll be like everyone else saving up to up down a deposit on a house or apartment. I don't think my family would want to live in a mobile home, but I like to think I still keep that dream home in me.
Part three style question. Is it better to own your own home or to rent?
I think but have their advantage. Living rented accommodation isn't necessarily a bad thing. You don't have a hope that like you do when you debt out a mortgage, but I suppose the property market offers you an investment for the future. I am sure that's why most people prefer to own their own home.
What's optician are available to you? Place looking for accommodation in your country.
If they want to buy their own home, it's in easy for first-time buyers. Mortgages are hard to get, so most people live with their parents or in redundant accommodation, but that also be very expensive. You often have to pay rent in advance, and if your accommodation is fully furnished, you have the expense of buying furniture.
What are some or the pleasure involved in making a home for yourself?
I support it start with house hunting in your idle home. Some people enjoy doing up an old property, giving a property that all and there are a new leases of life. Others like making where river they life feel like home with some home comfort.
Definition: one all day mod codes. The technology at home that makes job easier, sure as a washing machine, dishwasher, and two apartment block. I like building made up of smaller units of apartment. Three base grade, then I graded at the rear of the house for the state house. A house that is not physically connected to another property. Okay, thank you.